Well, he's not part of the topic of discussion, but we have lots of rabbits. Anyways. So we have some ground radials laid in finally. Put that in one of my other videos. The hole's dug and buried. Concrete's finally set a little bit. We have the SGC remote tuner. 8 ground radials. And then a grounding rod with a big strap. And then the wire goes up the pole. Not extended to 43 feet, but probably closer to 33. Anyways, the outside stuff's pretty much done. I'm gonna go check out the inside real quick. Alright, the dork shack. It is, well, messy. Let's see if we can do this fairly quickly. Alright, so noise is actually a lot quieter right now than it has been most of the day. It's down to 9 pounds. Earlier it was at 40. I'm going to change this meter to SWR so you can... Oh my golly, it's a little high right now. Huh. Okay. Let's tune somewhere else, like in the legal band area. Oh, there it is. Go back up somewhere. Close enough. Okay. So still pretty good noise. Let's check down near the bottom of the band. SWR is a little high. 1.7-ish. No biggie. Go up. As you can see, there's still a lot of noise. Something must be going on with the neighbors, because at nighttime the noise is gone. And so nice good match, but still a crap ton of noise. Good match, a little bit of noise. It has come down quite a bit. I'm really happy about that. I wish I should have took a video of that earlier. Perfect match. A lot of noise. Yeah. Not so bad. Something must be turned off. Good match. My problem child has been 12 meters. For some reason, doesn't always want to tune. So sometimes I have to go to a different band or out of band to get it to trigger. But anyways. Oh, 12 dB attenuation. Yeah, noise good. Anyways, so there's 6 meters. We almost forgot. Let's go ahead and do 6 meters. 1.5. Not too shabby. So remote tuner in action on the radio. There it is in all its glory. Catch you later. 73AE7QT.